And where have you been? I was just walking the dog. You mean this dog? You've been seeing someone else, haven't you? You slag! Hello, welcome to Easy English. Disclaimer, this video is about swear words. Although, I'm only going to cover mild everyday curse words, but I recommend you click off this video if you don't want the kids to listen, or if you are a kid, in which case, go to bed or go do your homework or something. Great, now that the kids are definitely not watching or listening more intently, I'll give you 8 mild swear words that you can use in everyday scenarios, and even a little extra one at the end. Here we go. Oh, crap. Oh. Whoops. 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 Oh, for God's